Hi, my name is Nadia, and today we're gonna learn romantic phrases in Russian. So, let's begin. The first phrase is you're beautiful or you're handsome. So if you're saying to a girl, it's gonna be ты красивая. If you're saying to a guy, it's gonna be ты красивый. So the difference is the ending. А я and эй. So for a female, it's gonna be а я. And for the male, it's gonna be эй. Again, ты красивая. Ты красивая for a girl, and for a guy, ты красивый. Second phrase is you have beautiful eyes. У тебя красивые глаза. And when you say about eyes, the ending gonna be ие. У тебя красивые глаза. So basically it means in you beautiful eyes. That's like literal translation. And the third phrase, you have beautiful smile. У тебя красивая улыбка. When you use the word beautiful with smile, for some reason you need to add the female ending. А я. У тебя красивая улыбка. The next phrase, fourth one, is I miss you. Russian girls, and I believe also men, they love when you say that you miss them. And it's gonna be in Russian я, basically me, скучаю по тебе. Скучаю, it's miss, and you, it's gonna be по тебе. Я скучаю по тебе. The fifth phrase is I like you or I like you very much. So if you want to say just I like you, you're supposed to say ты мне нравишься. But if you want to say I like you very much, you need to say it's gonna be like ты мне очень нравишься. So very much is очень. Ты мне очень нравишься. The sixth phrase is you are woman or man of my dream. So for the woman, it's gonna be ты женщина. Yeah, I think that's the difficult one. Ты женщина моей мечты, of my dream. Or for the man, ты мужчина моей мечты. Ты мужчина моей мечты. So for a girl, again, ты женщина моей мечты. Or for a man, ты мужчина моей мечты. The seventh phrase is kiss me. And it's basically поцелуй меня. Поцелуй меня. The eighth phrase is I adore you. Я тебя обожаю. Я тебя обожаю. Обожаю. Я тебя обожаю. The ninth phrase, I'm falling in love with you every day. Я влюбляюсь в тебя каждый день. Я влюбляюсь в тебя каждый день. Я влюбляюсь в тебя каждый день. And the last phrase, tenth one, I love you. Я тебя люблю. Я тебя люблю. So some people make mistakes and they say я тебя люблю, which is not correct. You need to make it more like soft and make the sound you instead of u. So я тебя люблю. And any woman gonna be and any man gonna be impressed if you're gonna know all these phrases. So try to learn them very well. And if you want me to do any video about any other topics, or you have like specific phrases that you want me to do, so just write to me in the comments and I will do it. And also check out my Instagram and follow me if you like it. And I wish you a great day.